Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my channel Easy Peasy Maths. Today we are going to learn about addition with carrying. By the end of this video, you will be able to add big numbers easily. Let's start. When we add numbers and the sum of one column is more than 9, we carry over the extra digit to the next column. For example, if we have to add 28 plus 37, the tens and ones, we have to add the ones first, like 8 and 7 is equals to 15. Write 5 and carry 1 to the tens column. Right now 2 plus 3 plus 1, so the answer is 65. You can see here the sum of 8 plus 7 is equals to 15. That is more than 9. That's why we have carried 1 to the tens place. And so that we got the answer, that is 65. It is very easy. See, fun and easy, right? Let's do one more example. It is 39 plus 53. We have to add 9 plus 3. That is equals to 12. So we have to write 2 here and 1 to the tens. We have to carry 1. So 5 plus 3 plus 1. That is 9. So the answer is 92. Students, today we learn addition with carrying. Practice a few sums every day and you will become an expert. See you in the next class. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Easy peasy maths. Bye bye.